And then don't forget, guys, trading in the zone. Please read. Please, please, please. Because psychologically, he talks a lot about how to trade, but psychologically, what do you do when you get hit by a tough trade? It's going to happen. There's just nobody in the business. I told Harry earlier on, we got hit yesterday. I sustained a pretty heavy loss yesterday in the Skynet account. But now the good news is we managed to get most of it back today. But regardless of that, the losses happen. You have to be able to manage them. You have to be able to deal with them, both monetary, have a monetary system in place to deal with those losses. Never over leverage your account. And equally important, you need to be able to deal with them psychologically. That's where most traders get kicked. They get a loss, they get angry, they get upset. So that's just it, But anyway, please, guys, please read Trading in the Zone. Oh, thanks, Bob. I had no idea about that, but thank you. That makes sense. Thanks, Robert. That's a great statement. Thank you, Robert. Yeah, it is. It truly is about the discipline, guys. It truly is. And again, trading in the zone has it all. How to deal with losses, how to manage your own psychological level, how to manage it with monetary wise. But the biggest thing for us, guys, is, use the system as was outlined. Please do the homework. Please, please, please. Do the drill down. Do it. That's why I keep repeating this over and over. Start out at the daily and work your way down. And if you do that, you'll be safe. Look for the high probability trades. And right now, my recommendation is get off the euro and the pound and the USD yen. Get off those guys and just hang out for a little while here in the euro GBP until we get the overall markets back into safe waters. And I'll be talking about that. I will let you guys know when that happens. Okay, that's just a Rubicon. So the Rubicon, regardless of what's going on with TF, the Rubicon's intact, continuing. No problem. We got the update coming. The trade room is open, dealing with the Rubicon only. The trade room is open. And again, for you TEF students, you're going to get a updated indicator, which is the student version of Rubicon. It'll still be called TEF, but it's essentially the TEF. Well, you're not in here, but I'm forgetting what room I'm in. I'll just share with you guys anyway. The newer students, even with the new company, will still be using our same system, but they'll be getting the student version of the Rubicon indicator. Essentially, it has the Rubicon indicator, but doesn't have the entry points, and it doesn't have the stop losses and the take profit points. Why would we do that? Because they need to learn, just like you guys did in coaching, how those set points are reached. How do we get an entry point? And as you know, the way we get it is breaking through the spine with the price action and the railroad track, and then waiting for the appropriate marker to be broken. So Rubicon's doing all that automatically, but we want to make sure that the new guys coming in also understand that. Oh, awesome, Robert. Okay. All right. Then, oh gosh, Robert. All right, so let me just clarify what happened the first week, Robert. We were up close to 2% the first week. Yesterday we took the hit, but we had, as you can see today, we had a very nice recovery today. So no sweat. On we go. But again, point taken that even in the Skynet, we have dropped the euro and the pound. We're not trading them right now, guys. And I'm trying to say that over and over again, just so you know that what I'm doing personally, both in my own personal account and in the Skynet account, I'm trying to share that with you guys too. Okay. Any final thoughts or questions? And right now, Robert, I'll just stick with the Euro GBP. We're looking at the Aussie CAD as well. We had 10, I think we had 9 or 10, 8 or 9, I have to go back and look, 8 or 9 trades overnight on the Euro GBP. And it came out where we ended up about 100 pips positive. Oh, you're welcome, Ken. You are more than welcome. You know, it is all about the discipline, Kenya. You know, I believe you me. It's all about being a disciplined trader. Totally, absolutely. And again, just that point when I said about, actually what I did say was not all traders will make it. Not all traders will make it. That was the point I was making. Not that any one personal trader. I said not all traders. And that's just reality. I mean, just don't take my word for it. Google that one. Forex traders, about 80% of them, about 80% of them will fail at this game. And mostly because of lack of education, guys. 99% of it is lack of education. Yeah, that's right. Robert, Aussie CAD. Okay, guys, you'll be getting some information from us coming up. I'll be with Jeff tomorrow. I believe the update on Rubicon will be going out, I think, Monday or Tuesday. So you'll be getting an email on that. You'll be getting an email about the Rubicon trade room, which is up and running. And any students that were over in Dennis's room that are unfinished will finish out in the Rubicon room. We're getting everything lined up. We're all going to be using the same indicator, trading the same way, and the trade room is going to be consistent with that. So you're going to get some information about all of that in the next couple of days, guys. I'll be back next Thursday, as always, at the same time with the Rubicon webinar with you guys. Thank you. Thanks for the kind words again, guys. You guys are great to work with, believe me. I really appreciate the kind words every week. It was very important for me when we set this up, like I said early on, not just to develop an indicator and throw it out there, because what we could have done was, what a lot of guys do, is develop an indicator, throw it out on the internet, you know, sell hundreds of them and make a chunk of money and walk away. I'm just not prepared to or able to do that. I'm here for the long run, and that means taking some shots here and there, and that's okay. I can handle that. I'm a big boy. But the main purpose of that is that we have ongoing education and that we build a community of traders together. The day's going to come, guys, when I'm going to be getting as much feedback from some of you guys, because you're going to be around for a long time. And believe me, I'll be happy to pass that on to other folks coming in, and then you guys become mentors, you know, to newer people coming in, and you can share with them in the room. That's where I want to get us. Then, Harry, we're going to be here for a long time, my friend. That's the deal, which is good. You know, as we talked about, why am I doing this? And Harry's point is a really good one. I'm here because this is my retirement. You know, my trading is my retirement plan. And any of you who are self-employed out there in this kind of a market and who've not really had an opportunity to put the old 401k away and all that good stuff, then you know exactly what I mean. For many of us, this is our retirement account. Okay, guys. God bless everybody. As always, a pleasure working with you guys. I'll be here next Thursday. Be safe out there. Remember, tomorrow, final thought, tomorrow, non-farm payroll. NFP tomorrow. Please, guys, be very careful. And again, you know, my take on that is don't trade. Just don't trade around it. Let that thing get out of the way. Give it half an hour at least or more to settle down, and then take a look at what's available. Okay, have a great weekend, guys. Enjoy watching the fluctuation of the crazy market tomorrow morning as NFP is announced. And then take off some time and grab a cold one and have a good weekend so we all come back nice and fresh to the market next week. All you guys in Skynet will be trading away. We won't be trading, and again, just in case Robert or Harry, any of you guys in there that are in Skynet, do not worry. We will not be trading non-farm payroll. Tomorrow morning, I will not be trading either my own personal account or Skynet. We will not be in that game. period. Okay. That's it for me, guys. Have a great week. Over and out. Thank you.